Some days you just want to do the bare minimum, but you still want to get that burn on and you still want to see results. Well, this is the workout for you. This workout is going to slow you down, it's going to get you centered, but it's going to activate your arms, core, and legs, to see muscle tone in your arms, to tighten up your core, and to see those legs getting leaner. Now, this workout is a standing Pilates style workout, and it's going to be very, very simple to follow the moves, but I want you to really focus in on the intention. Focus in on the muscles that you're activating, and you're gonna see amazing results, especially if you do this workout at least 1 to 2 times a week. This workout is gonna challenge you, but it's gonna be over before you know it. Now, if you struggle with motivation and you need somebody to just give you that little nudge, that sisterly pep talk, make sure you follow me on Instagram. You're gonna see so many posts that are motivating, exciting, and will push you to reach your goals. You already did a great job showing up today. Now let's do this workout.
Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 full hours. Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face. Surprise, surprise, never something I could hide. When I see we made it through another day, then I say, ooh, ooh. Throw its cover down on me again. Ooh, and if I'm right, well, it's the only way to bring me back. Ooh, ooh. Come away with me in the night. Come away with me and I will write you a song. Come away with me on Come away where they can't tempt us with their lies. And I want to walk with you on a cloudy day in fields where the yellow grass grows knee high. So won't you try to come away with me, and we'll kiss on a mountain top. Come away with me, and I'll never stop loving you. While I'm safe there in your arms, so all I ask is for you to come away with me in the night. Come away with me. What am I to you? Tell me, darling, true. To me you are the sea, fast as you can be, and deep the shade of blue. When you're feeling low, oh, to whom else do you go? See, I'd cry if you hurt, I'd give you my last shirt, because I love you so. kind of love in me? Would you carve me in a tree? Don't fill my heart with lies. I will love you when you're blue. Tell me, darling, true, what am I to you? Waited till I saw the sun. I don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away instead of kneeling in the sand, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is drenched in wine, but you'll be on my mind forever. Out across the endless sea, I would die in ecstasy, but I'll be a bag of bones driving down the road alone. My heart is drenched in wine, but you'll be on my mind forever. Something has to make you run. I don't know why I didn't come. I feel as empty as a drum. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come.
Wow, thank you so much for joining me today for this peaceful, calming, somewhat melancholy workout. Now today I want you to focus on self-care. Think of something else, maybe this plus a cup of tea, or maybe run a bath for yourself, or even just do a little face mask before you go to bed. Maybe even just take 6 minutes before bed to calm down, read a book. It is proven that reading a book can help reduce your stress levels, especially if you're doing it right before bed. So do something kind to yourself today. Show yourself the love that you love to give out to others. Give it back to yourself. I'm proud of you for showing up today, and I'll see you in the next workout.